Hi dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2011 Land Rover Discovery 4 Smart Key.
We need to prepare for K518 Pro. OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key. First, plug in the OBD communication cable. Select Generate Smart Key. Land Rover. Select the first menu. Put the new key for Land Rover produced by Lonsdor. Click Generate. Generation successful. OK. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. Find Land Rover. From Vehicle. Discovery 4. Program Smart Key. Select all the smart key lost. Open hazard warning light. OK. Prompt that at least 2 keys are required. OK. Turn off the ignition switch. The number of programmed keys 0. Does it program the new key? Click OK. Hold the programming smart key in hand. OK. Follow the prompts. Determined by the number of programmed keys. If it programs another one, click OK. Hold the programming smart key in your hand. Make sure to follow the prompts. Determined by program the number of keys too. Whether it programs the next one. Does not need to click cancel. Program complete. OK. Key program successful. Now let's try the key. Can the key drive normally? First key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first key to start the car successfully. Second key, step on the brake and press the start button. The second key start the car successfully. Let's try now to see if the remote control is working. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key locks the car. Unlock. The remote control of both keys is normal.
We have programmed the smart key for 2011 Land Rover Discovery 4. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.